When desert constellations meet harbor beacons at dusk. When Himalayan meltwater nurtures Ganges delta fields. A force transcends latitudes, not monsoons, not tides, but humanity's eternal hunger for light. In 2007, amid Shenzhen Bay's morning mist, TOPAK Power's first current synchronized with the world's heartbeat. From Hong Kong's financial hubs to the street corners of Pakistan, from Vietnam's assembly workshops to the Middle East's exhibition centers, we use energy storage equipment to provide power for drawing water from barren lands on African savannas, and to let fishing boats on Southeast Asian islands cast a quiet light at night. The automated equipment at Huizhou Smart Factory performs a precise weld every 0.3 seconds, while the temperature chambers in the testing center simulate extreme climates from the Sahara to Siberia. What is born here is not just products, but a promise that the lights will never go out. When the badge of specialized and innovative meets the genes of high-tech, it gives birth to backup energy storage systems that maintain power supply when telecom base station power fails, and power cores that enable drones to operate continuously over African mining areas. We don't produce sunlight, yet we store warmth for when sunlight is absent. Nor do we create wind, but we let the power of wind endure on windless days. Camel bells once mapped deserts and oases along ancient Silk roads. Now, our containers trace the same continental shelves, delivering storage units to Zambian copper mines, charging stations to Ugandan road stops. On Syrian reconstruction sites, our power bank lights the first lamp above ruins. This is not expansion, but equitable energy flow. When a taxi driver in Astana happily starts their car on a winter dawn at -40 degrees, and when a student in Zimbabwe finishes their homework at night using power from energy storage batteries, bring light to every corner of the world takes on a concrete form. It is the uninterrupted communication in a border post at 5,000 meters above sea level. It is the steadily operating dialysis machine in a hospital on a small South Pacific island. It is the confidence with which human civilization can restart under any circumstance. From Shenzhen Bay to dawns on 5 continents, our compass points always to where darkness meets light. For the true energy revolution isn't conquering night, but giving every life the right to choose brightness.